How to open Wells Fargo bank account online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open a Wells Fargo bank account online. So start by opening your web browser and heading to the wellsfargo.com. This will take you to the Wells Fargo's official website. On the homepage, look for the checking option or the type of account you would like to open. Browse through the available options such as checking or savings account and choose one that fits your needs. For example, you might choose a student or everyday banking option. After selecting your prepared account, scroll through the details and click on Open Now for the plan that you want. If you are an existing user, log in with your Wells Fargo username and password, and if you are new, follow the prompts to create a profile. Provide your details such as your first and last name, social security number, and a valid ID. Make sure all information is accurate before proceeding. Next, review the account options and agree to the terms and fund your account. You will need to make an initial deposit to complete the process. Once you have filled in everything and deposited the required amount, you will receive confirmation that your account is successfully opened. And that's it. You have just opened your Wells Fargo bank account online. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.